Hi guys, what I was trying to do today is replace front wheels on this engine hoist. Somebody who had this before me, the guy that sold me, as you can see, he welded the wheels. He welded the inside is supposed to spin. I don't know why, but anyways, I had to replace it. No, it's spinning fine. The rears are okay. I just have to grease them. Make sure you reheat it. Interesting. I guess I can't forget that. I can eat and chew the wheel. It contains the lead. Yeah, it's a good pointer.